10-minute full body workout at home. Are you looking for a quick, effective, and powerful workout that you can do anytime, anywhere? This 10-minute full body workout is perfect for beginners and advanced fitness lovers who want to stay fit without going to the gym. No equipment is needed, just your body weight, energy, and motivation. In today's busy world, finding time for fitness can be challenging. That's why this short yet intense workout routine is designed to help you burn calories, build strength, and improve overall fitness in just 10 minutes. Whether you're at home, in your office, or traveling, you can easily follow this routine and stay on track with your fitness goals. This workout targets all major muscle groups including your legs, arms, core, and back. It combines cardio and strength training exercises to maximize fat burning and muscle engagement. By following this routine consistently, you can improve your stamina, boost metabolism, and enhance your